And Isiga hand out to Meneses. Reverse! Spectacular shot by Berhel.
Backpack kay Colvan. And yes, tayo aragat mismo ng mga taga.
Talagang aerial voyager yan. Nagsisipilipin ko yun.
Ngayon kay Meneses. Oh, yes!
3.5 to play.
On the run!
Take a look at this lob pass from Nelson to Verhel on the last series for Swift.
Shooter Meneses, tumira sa labas. Yeah! Makes it! Oh my goodness! 3-point shot! 9 seconds. Alam mo ito yung ginawa niya nung championship nila.
Yung parati sa Gordon's Game dito sa conference ito.
Yung lipat ni Meneses.
Oh! Ito ginawa ni Berhel, inside out dribble.
Championship match. All the way for an easy basket. Defensive players going up into the air and he came up with a reverse.
Lasco, tamo yung kambi niya. Oh, yes! Pero ibang klase yun, ha? Ibang klase.
Break there scored by Latin by Meneses.
Whoa, what a again!
Oh my God, we talk about 3 seconds in the air before he finally put that ball down. Terrific move from the aerial voice.
Isolation. Here we go. Yes! What a move by Berhel Meneses.
Meneses opens, here's the aerial Voyager! Yes! Woo!
Dito na si Berhel Meneses ng Barangay Ginebra.
Oh, he's alive!
yes!
Oh, yes, sir! Now watch this head and shoulder fake. Lusot na ako. Salamat sa iyo, Berhel Meneses.
Boy, that's a reverse day up the Berhel. Back to the basket.
Came in for Alan K. Dick. And that's about a shot by Berhel Meneses.
Victoria drops it off to Meneses. Woo! What a move! The acrobatic move by the aerial Voyager.
Meneses palarawan naman. Ayos na. Naglago. Sa mataas itong si Berhel Meneses. Buti hindi nagbabalo ito ng boomings. At doon nagbabalo. Meneses. Oh, beautiful play. Great play by the aerial Voyager behind the back. Presence of mind.
Pero ito, Berhel Meneses. Iniwan ang buong bayan. Si Berhel Meneses for the slam dunk. Touch and go ito. Request Marasa. Tika kay Jose Cariaco. Berhel Meneses. Manutan. Opo, triple check!
Berhel Meneses. Get away! Meron pang foul. Isama niya pang buong barangay.
Meneses inside. Oh, right. He gets it. What a shot by the aerial Voyager. Oh boy.
Aruy! Saan mo kinuha yun?
Ganda. Yung bata no?
Nagtatago ng bola.
Matchup dito. Meneses against Locsin. Meneses. Iniwan si Dolly Locsin. The rookie. Meneses. Maligit na naman sa pumopa. Layap na. Yes.
Mouse. Meneses knows all the... That's why he goes up against Meneses, who just knows what to do by going under the basket and using the glass in that play.
That will go. That will equalize. Trying together. Offensive foul. Unleashes showtime. Meneses. Sa gitna. Bumagod pa kaliwa. Lumutot. Lumea. Boom! Talagang aerial voyager yan. Ito yung magandang pasa ni Berhel. Namasyad mo na sa air eh. Bago yung hagok. Luwag.
Meneses.
Meneses, nandun lamang siya. Barrientos, binalik yung Boybet. Great pass!
Clock is down to 2 seconds. Meneses knows it. He puts it out.
With a shifty drive.
Whoa!
But not quite.
A 3-on-2 break here. Berhel Meneses. He's one of the best in finishing the basket.
Nila shot clock. Pumaypay ng baseline. Pumihit. Ang ganda naman!
Oh, eto. Woo! At sabayan po rin yan ating halftime break at Berhel Meneses. First play, a drive by Meneses. He will go and get a 3-point play. Up once he makes that first step. But you like that because in this play, goes left, catches some boy Lim looking.
Takes his move and another 3-point play is not even given it. That's jersey number 4. It's not balanced in the game.
Cross-court going to Marata. Ngayon kay Meneses, kinuha pa sa Aliyo. Oh, yes! What a shot! Yun ang spectacular shot na pinapit.
Meneses lumipad siya.
Big shot!
Meneses, nakatingin sa mga, hindi na ibasa.
He avoids the head and shoulder fake and he is gone. He's also helping. Well, what they want to do is not let Berhel go to the baseline where
Berhel Meneses, napugumahog. Well, traveling doon si Meneses, pero sa ere. Pero ito, Berhel Meneses, iniwan ang buong bayan.
Exactly present in the first quarter of play. Meanwhile, that's a fine play. Well, this could be a great.
Take this lead and sufficiently enough, pero ito si Meneses. May iba. Meneses ahead of the pack. Dinapon!
Gets the foul, gets the basket, and the lead is back. Here's the outlet pass, Meneses. Berhel Meneses. 1-on-1 against Lozoya. Medyo humabol si Marlo Aquino.
sa kanya. Pupunta sa kaliwa ito si Berhel. Ayun, iwan na siya. On na lang ang kanyang naibigay.
Seconds to go. Berhel, 3-point shot.
Yes! Counted yan! Counted yan! Kitang-kita natin dito sa putong yan.
na ito si Berhel Meneses, pero yung mga plays na gano'n still very rare sa mga kabataan dito. Lahat ng ipasok niya talagang umi-score.
Berhel Meneses for the slam dunk.
Exactly present in the first quarter of play. Meanwhile, that's a fine play. Well, this could be a great boost.
Terrific, yes, terrific. Wow, a very loud one.
It's a pass. It goes to Meneses and it's stuck down.
With a twisting shot, tries again, and gets the shot with a foul. Ito mga kaibigan, nakikita.
And of course, control the tempo. Meneses inside, getting the basket.
Great move by Berhel Meneses. It's floated in the air for just a second off the ground. Nice it. One-on-one against Aquino. Nice and clean.
Hernandez to Meneses.
Other way for an easy basket.
Meneses getting a basket.
Marcel po na sa ere. To the right corner court jumper. Yes, pero pa ito yung shot na pepper the defensive player. Dito, nakabantay sa kanya. Wala problema. Ano Berhel Meneses?
To control the board.
Tough shot by Meneses.
Na ngayon, lumilipad na.
Yes, 7 puntos na si Berhel Meneses. 4 dito sa third quarter.
With 4-on-1, Tunichi Turi could do nothing.
Yung tinatapos sa foul trouble. Ito yung magandang pasa ni Berhel na masyad muna sa ere. Bago yung handoff.
Running with 16 seconds left. Meneses hang time.
Coach Suarez dito sa second quarter. Berhel Meneses mahirap talagang piliin. Not too fast. Oh, that's goodbye, you know. We let Berhel Meneses go there. That's it. Dr. Lim was looking at his side.
Berhel Meneses. Baseline drive, reverse is good.
You cannot give him the baseline and then expect to stop him if you're not going to have your teammates help out. He's too quick on a one-on-one for Durandes and then Espino trying to help out. But
Meneses double teamed, but he scores anyway.
that's the
Berhel.
For that time, he
Gets some kind of access. Curls it inside. Berhel seems very confident.
Decides to shoot. Yes. How deceptive. Close line.
you might say that was a monster basket by Berhel Meneses because that certainly morale
Michel Mersangi.
Mike Muste. Baseline drive to Verhel. Oh, balance shot.
Ganyan ang gawin.
The Philippine Basketball Association. Verhel Meneses. Turn around, yes. Well, I'm sure a lot of the TV fans are still tatama yan. Samantala, narito ngayon ang PBA Centennial Squad. Nice pass by Marlo Aquino to Verhel Meneses. And one.
Clock down to 6. Alan kay Dick, turnaround. Napsapal ni Meneses. Agustin ngayon. 15 lamang ito at malayo pa pong oras natin. Meneses pumasok sa loob.
At eto na, nakakita na ng hagdanan.
Control of his game. Tapos siguro yung speeding up the pace, kailangan din ng Sanchez to make sure that the pace is sped up.
This matchup for all stars. They have to guard Meneses with Evangelista, and he cannot do it, you know.
Because now Swift is beginning to control the boards.
Tough shot by Meneses. Double team. He's still putting.
Mga buntot po at nakuha na ito ni Reggie Pac sa second quarter. At mukhang tuloy-tuloy nito ngayong gabi.
Sa kulang at ang San Miguel Beer naman napakaganda ng pinalaro. Well, that time nakalusot si Verhel Meneses sa depensa.
Siyam na ito si Verhel Meneses.
But he brings a lot of strength, a lot of poise to this team. Meneses getting a basket off the glass.
Meneses, one-on-one against Lastimosa. Jump shot. Nice and clean. 37-32.
Difficult.
Bison, nakabantay sa kanya. Wala problema.
Verhel Meneses.
Verhel Meneses, nakatingin sa loob, hindi may pasa. Itinira nila. Well, 2 points din naman. 9-point lead na by Gordon Gin. At dalawang timeout na po, tinatawag ni Coach Kumaren dito sa second quarter. Pumaposte po si Verhel Meneses lamang kay Vince Bison. There's the turnaround and the jumper by Verhel Meneses. Mahirap talagang pigilan sa Verhel Meneses.
For Sankis Orange Junior.
Verhel Meneses. Get away! Umitin! Meron pang foul. Isama niyo pa ang buong barangay. Uy! Saan mo kinuha yun?
Ganda.
Mahilig pala sa taguril ng bata, eh, no? Nagtatago ng bola.
Meneses goes baseline. What a shot! Yun ang spectacular shot na tinatawag.
They don't have a lot of big men, and they don't have a big man.
Is it showtime?
What an exclamation point on the part of Verhel.